Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel, and welcome to a new series where we are going to understand about statistics and analysis. As you rightly know that analysis is very important, or you can say a pivotal structure for any study or analysis you do. Okay. Are you looking for simulation support and simulation training? Visit leansimcorp.com, and here you will be getting different support related to Flexsim Simulation and related to Flexsim training. Do not forget to be a member of Leansimcorp and get exciting member benefits starting from Flexsim tutorials to different modules and much more. So visit now leansimcorp.com and be a member. So for a simulation model or a engineering study, it is very important that the analysis which comes out of that is correct, and you are able to take an inference out of it. But if you're not able to do that from the study, then it becomes very difficult to justify the work we have done, and it becomes very difficult to what I can say is validate the study. So analysis and statistics are very important, and what we are going to understand is we are going to learn how to do analysis in engineering study, simulation studies, in plant sim, in Flexsim, and much more. What type of graphs you need to have, what type of things you should be using, and what type of statistics you should apply, what type of statistical collectors you need to do, and all those stuffs is what you will be learning in this series ahead. So it becomes very important for you to stay in this series, and you need to follow us on leansimcorp.com. Subscribe us today so you do not miss out any video of statistical and analysis. So in this today's video, what we're going to do is we are going to understand a very basic thing of analysis, and that is operator utilization. Okay, why operator utilization? Because that comes under resource utilization, and it is very important for any factory or engineering layout or industry to analyze that what is my operator utilization. How much is my operator being used, and what are my things going on, and how are being those taken care. Okay. If you're looking for Flexsim simulation support, or looking for training courses related to simulation, or if you're looking for digital twin solutions, or you're looking for engineering automation, you're on a right page. Visit leansimcorp.com and be a member now to get access and support in all these domains. So when you look into that, the most important parameter is the utilization. And in order to get the utilization, we will be looking at how we will be finding out operator utilization for now. But we have created a small simulation model which you could see that the person is transferring the box from this Q1 to processor 1, and then it will transfer to the Q2. And meanwhile, he is also working onto the station. If I click onto it, it is utilized because it is processing a part onto the station. Now what I have to do is I have to analyze this operator by running it for say 1 minute. Okay, I'll just put this. The model units are in minute. Therefore, what we're going to do is we're going to see this. Now, what I want to see is I want to see my operator, that what is its utilization. For that, what we're going to do is we are going to select the state analysis graphs. Okay, and we are going to look at how it is going to show us that thing. So now when I'm going to reset and run, what you're going to see is nothing. So let me just select the operator for now. Okay, this graph is what you need to use whenever you are supposed to get state utilization of operator. This graph you need to use when you want utilization for operator in simulation study of Flexsim. Now I'm just running it for 60 minutes. And what you're going to look into is you are able to see the utilization of this operator as 96.67%. Okay. Now you see different types of states here as well. What does that mention? Travel empty is nothing but when an operator is traveling without a part. Okay. Travel loaded is when it travels with the part, that is 1.46%. Then we have offset travel empty. That means when the operator travels beyond its prescribed path. Loaded and empty. And then we have utilized. And we have idle 3.33%. Now what does this mean is that my operator is very, very much overutilized. Right? So how we are going to ensure that operator is going to be utilized to the max capacity which I want. Okay. So what you can do is you can apply breakdowns to the operator. So it is going in breaks, and if you want to have a videos on that, let me know. And what you can do, other thing is you can add the failures to this operator. So your utilization of this operator does not go beyond 80% or 85% or whatever you want to keep. You can do like that. But currently the operator is not controlled, and this statistics is going to help you get the utilization for the operator. In the next video, what you're going to look into is that what type of graph you need to have in order to analyze a station, okay, to have a station utilization. So stay tuned with us and let us meet in another interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel. Do not forget to visit our premium training courses available at our Leansimcorp.com website. Go to member homepage, and there you will be able to see all the details related to membership and subscription. In the same tab, you will be able to see all that assessments, training courses, simulation materials, and much more. But in order to watch that, you need to have a membership. So let us meet in next video. Till then, keep watching, keep simulating. Bye bye.